just repoed your truck.
Well, the big question was, did my truck get repossessed? And the answer to that question is, yes it did, and no it didn't. So, was it repossessed? Yes, it did get repossessed because it went back to Jeff's Auto Body and Customs in Sweet Valley, PA to get the bed installed, and that's where it went. Well, I was out of town, and while I was out of town, the guys managed to get the bed installed on the truck, but we are headed now back to my shop to show you guys what the truck looks like with the bed on it. But if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys can stay posted as far as what we're doing with the truck and where we will be this show season, because we do plan on getting it out and showing it off this year. So while I'm driving back to the shop, let me run a little bit of the video of us loading the truck up to take it back to Jeff's.
You want me to pick you up?
No, I'm good.
You sure?
I'm glad you guys are on this side, so this way you don't see how I get in.
Oh, so I gotta stand over there.
If you want to see how I get in.
See how comical this is gonna be?
Oh, wait, let me.
Oh, she has to come over too.
Yeah, how am I supposed to get this?
Oh my goodness. Oh, now that is funny.
Now I can't find the key. Now I gotta get off to find the key.
Oh, so now she can get over here and see this.
Well, I was sitting on it.
Oh, come on over. Come on. Oh, you're gonna laugh. Come on over. This is hilarious.
I can't believe I'm putting this all out to you on how I get up into the truck without power steps. Ah! And that's how you do it.
Be careful. Don't let them back over you. Now, you can pause it now. It's a Dodge. It won't start.
Oh, that's crazy. I just had it running the other. Now I gotta get back up to this truck for the third time.
Hey, Joe.
Huh.
So when your hood's all the way up, how do you close it? Come here, Joe. Come here. You can't just go like this?
No, what I gotta do is get myself up on the tire, then grab this, and then I jump down
And bring the hood with you.
and bring the hood with me. So now we just have to hook up the...
And he has mirrors on it, so he should be able to back out okay. Oh, things happen. on, she's coming. She's coming. She's coming. Oh. Oh my goodness. I should have turned the face down. I should have sat on your shoulder.
All loaded up. We're headed over to Just Auto Bodies and see you in a little bit. Well, I'm back at my shop now, and let me tell you what. The truck looks amazing now that we pretty much will have it all together, and the bed is now installed. So once again, I'd like to thank the guys out at Just Auto Body and Customs, John, Jeff, Jesse, Rick, and all that, for taking the time to get the bed installed while I was out of town. Thanks a lot, guys. But let me pull you guys back a little bit and show you what the truck looks like now. And here's what we're looking at. And the truck looks amazing. And it's really starting to come together. We do have a few more things we have to do to it, but overall it's really turning out nice. So that's just a little quick view of what the truck looks like now. So in a later video, I will do a more in-depth and take you a little walk around as far as the truck, and maybe let you guys know some of the problems we came across restoring this truck. So if you are new to the channel, you know what to do. So till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.